Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to enable the voice-over subtitles in Marvel Rivals. So all you have to do is launch the game on your PC or on your console and access this page. And then from here, simply select the settings icon that appear on the top right corner. And then from the options that appear, simply select settings. Now within the settings, all you have to do is select the audio tab or audio category. Select it and then choose the audio subcategory. Now after you've chosen that option, scroll down and find the section voiceover, and you should see the voiceover subtitles. So by default have been turned off. So if you want to enable it, simply toggle that switch on and you should see a check mark indicating that the voiceover subtitles have been enabled. And also on the right, you should see a preview of what those voiceover subtitles are. And then once you have enabled it, there are a couple of options you can customize. You can choose to customize the font size of the subtitles. So you can either choose small, medium, or large rather. And then you can choose to change the subtitle color. So if you want, there's white, red, yellow, blue, and green. So choose the one that you desire. And then also you can choose to enable or disable the player name within the subtitle. So if you want to enable it, simply toggle it on. If you want to disable it, simply turn it off. And also you can change the subtitle background. So by default it's set to transparent, so you can choose semi-transparent and you can choose dark. Now as you make the changes, you'll notice them appear on the preview on the right side. So that's basically it on how to enable the voiceover subtitles on Marvel Rivals. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.